Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jish and this is the first video of the year that I'm actually posting. I was actually really ill at the start of the year, so I didn't really have a great start, but plenty has been happening with the bike, and this video is basically just me running down everything that we've got left to do, and we are so close to actually getting this bike finished. So in the last video we actually made the exhaust for this bike, and since then it's been through a little bit of a heat cycle, and look, it's brought those colours right out. We did have it running very lean to begin with, but we've got it all sorted, and actually it's running okay. And you're probably wondering, why have I not filmed this? Well guys, I did. Yes, it is a little bit of a tease, but we're saving it for the final video. But in all honesty, we're actually really close to getting this bike finished. There's only a handful of jobs left, and then basically just a proper check over everything, making sure everything is greased up, tight, Loctited, so on and so on. But apart from that, she's so close. We've got the mudguard at the powder coaters, and it's going to be going the same as this crackle black that we've got on this back here for that really nice finish. I've made a really simple speedo gauge out of 3mm stainless steel just to keep it nice and tucked in. To be honest, I really love the profile of this thing. And while we had the speedo mount laser cut, we also had one made for the mudguard mount too. So it is really all coming together. We even have the paint colour chosen now. Now some of you are probably thinking, what the hell is the point of this video? Why am I rambling on about all this stuff? Now basically it's just to explain to you what's going on with the bike and where we're going with the channel this year. And believe me, we're going to be doing a hell of a lot. We're going to be doing all kinds of events this year. I've actually submitted this bike as well as the GS250 to Bike Shed London this year. We'll be looking at doing the Malay Mile this year with this thing, and hopefully doing many other cool trips with this bike. You can also expect a couple of new builds happening as well. I'm going to keep those under wraps for now though. And I have a whole heap of other things planned too, whether it be Sweet Cheeks the boat, which I still have, potentially learning how to drift cars and working with some really awesome people. So if that doesn't excite you, I don't know what will. But I want to say thank you to everyone that watches these videos, everyone who keeps in touch on Instagram, and most of all, those who support me via Patreon, link down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you're excited for what's to come, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.
Shout out to all my Patreons out there. Thank you for supporting. It really helps the channel grow.